This is a video showing you how to alter features in M4OPS. It's using Herne as our example and the testing version of M4OPS. We're going to use a modifiable feature layer, not the all features one that we've used before, but we're going to use a test one. It's valuation test. So it's got a couple of features on it. It's got 1 point and it's got 1 polygon, and with data that's been manually entered. Now I could add more using these buttons here, point, line and polygon. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this point, this one here, alter. If I now have that on, now if I now click on one of these features, a form will come up which gives me the data that we've set and empty boxes for the other bits of data that were allowed. Now suppose this amount wasn't 45, it was actually 48, so I've changed it. So I now click on save and close, and now if you go on here you'll see the amount is 48. That's what's stored with the feature now. Suppose actually that point I wanted it to be a polygon, so I click on that again with the alter thing, and now I've got here a drop down. It's currently a point, but I can change it to a polygon. Fine, let's click save and close. It's always save and then close. So now instead of a point we've got a polygon. It's actually made a guess, it's a rectangle. I'll show you in another video how to alter these shapes and to change them around. So in fact, if this one here, you can see that it's a more complicated polygon. Polygon's going to be any shape like that, anything at all like that. Doesn't have to be rectangular. It can have bits going in and out. The lines need to be straight, that's all. So let's click here. We've got the alter thing. Actually, if I wanted to delete that unknown, I just want to make it blank, so I can click on delete there. You're only allowed to delete fields that are optional. So click on delete, and now that unknown has disappeared. It's just not there, the field. Although if I click again, I could put in data there if I wanted. So let's close there. Right. Now suppose actually that I realise that I've made a total mistake. That feature there should be deleted. Quite simply, a delete button, and it's gone. So there we are. That's how to change the values of the fields, change how the shapes, and to change and to delete features. Thank you. Of course, we do need to save this. So double check and wait for that. Okay, and now close.